Okay, hello, it's Friday 31/2026, 1:08 p.m. I got the other one started. This is what I've got here. I'll explain this in a minute. This is a National RX-F15 that I got curious about, so I got it. And the main reason why I got it is because of that right there. Okay, so bear with me because I can only handle so many things at one time. I'll come back to y'all in a moment. Right, just this is, this room here, right? And I'm going to go and put you on the tripod. There's a tripod for them, right? Here's the other one. This is a National 4930. It plays a cassette, but I'll play that when I get the other thing in here, alright? This one does not have line in. It just has that, okay? That's the main difference between the two, so I'm going to put you on the tripod here, alright? Give me a minute to turn the other thing on and come back in here and go to it, right? Flip that around so you can see. Great, there you go. I'll be right back. Give me a minute. Okay, so now, Friday, 31 July 2026, 1:10 p.m. This is not that. Okay. This is a model. This is a National RX-F15, and that's what it looks like. What I hope to unbox and play. Looks like this. Looks like that. That. The main reason why I got this is because this has line in and all these connections and so on and so forth, right? So now, get out of here, right? And this is just the, the room of stuff. There's all the Walkmans, and there's that thing I just played yesterday, and so let me go, and then I've got the, and then, okay, so now the reason for the difference is that this one doesn't have line in, okay? This is similar. This is a 4930 by National. They also make a Panasonic model, the same thing, just different. Anyway, alright, so here I am, okay. Let me throw this on the tripod and play some music that I can play live on this thing, right? So there we go, that's like that. Okay. So now this is going, play some music, right? See here, ready. So that works. Hit play. Oops. Okay, so this works. Gets loud for what it is. Plays really well. I got my scissors right there. I got two tapes. Here's the box. I want to sit on this, so let's put that there. Alright, so here's the box. What I hope to unbox right here. This came, and it's it's a bigger box than what the thing actually is. I think it's actually maybe a fraction smaller than that one, but anyway, so okay. So, like I said, I have the curiosity that this one has line in. The only other difference between the two is that this one takes D batteries, this one takes C batteries. So it's a little, might play not as long as that one will, because that one has more current available to it via D batteries. And that one also gets fairly loud for what it is. So here's this. Okay, just put that down. Alright, so right off of there. Okay, so there's that. Alright, so now This is why I get these, because I have curiosities. I want to hear the difference of models versus conveniences and speaker sizes and how many batteries they take. This one takes 6, that one takes 6, but this one's a little bit smaller. But you know, why couldn't they put that model with line in as such? But they didn't do it. And the difference between this model and the 3940 or something like that, which is the same as this, but just loses one control here, which is, I can't remember which one it loses, but it loses one. Oh, too much fun getting into this here. Okay, so, alright, so, well, okay, there we go. I found the beginning of this. So, there we go. Okay, there we go. Alright, now we're going to unfold it, hopefully. Well, maybe not. Oh, boy. Alright, there we go. Alright, finally got that covered off. Well, at least you can say that they packaged it well, because the only thing it doesn't show is that in the pictures it had the power cord attached to the thing there, but this is not here. So let me look ever so briefly for the power cord that was supposedly in here, but okay. Oh, there is the power cord. Why do you wrap up the power cord in this? I don't know, but alright, so alright, like the power cord's going to do some kind of damage. Okay, so there's the power cord. I've already got one plugged in. All that, I'll just throw all that away. So get the scissors out of the way. Put this in the power cord department. Okay, so here's the model. Alright, so it looks like that. It's got all the controls, got the all-important line in for those that do the line in stuff, right? So here we go. It's got line in. Looks like that. Looks like this. It's got the battery cover, complete antenna, right? Complete antenna. Okay, so let's plug it in. You know we got good power right here. That power cord. There we go, we got power. Let's see here, the volume is down. You can already hear the radio. And it's tuning. So put it on that. Well, volume. Well, it's another not doing anything. Well, it's got power to it, lit up right here, okay, and well, let's see if the cassette player does anything. Well, the door opens slowly, that's good, and can't hear anything. Let's see here. There we go. Tape player plays. Okay, so that was rewind. This is fast forward. That's good. Great. Maybe we can just play a cassette in here. Let's play a cassette. Alright, so here's the cassette. Put that in. Hit play. Well, it's going to need some help, I guess. Yeah, it needs some cleaning. cassette player plays, there's just no sounds, no audio. So I don't know why that is. Even the tape counter's working, so just no audio. That's your GPS. Alright, well, another project. At least the tape player works, just some kind of switch audio or recording bars need to be cleaned, or just don't know. But it fast forwards. Okay, it won't well, barely rewinds. Barely. Okay, well, alright, well, something else to play with electrically, not so much mechanically, but that's my review of this happy little thing. It's in good condition for what it is. It's got all the parts to it. It's not beat up too much. Alright. I don't know. Okay, fine. Well, just add it to my growing collection of I'll get to it when I get to it, right? So, hope you enjoyed. Let me stop this one first, I guess, or this one. Alright, so, yep. And the reel's not going to have any sound, so that's what it looks like. It's here, that. Got the radio. It's got these controls here, not there, yeah, that. You got these. You got to use your Google lens to understand what those mean. I'm not doing that now, but, and then of course it has, you know, the complete complement of this stuff, right? So that's everything there, and then without dropping it, it's got the complete antenna. Everything there. It's this one here, F15. Okay. And we get this open one-handed. No. Let's see here. There we go. And the battery compartment is dusty and clean. Very good. Alright, so it just has some kind of electronic issue that we will put on the back burner to see about repairing. So let's see, let's put this up here. How about? Okay, so here. There we go. Whoops, well, that's close enough. That's what it looks like in comparison to this one. This is more fancy, this is not, but this is very loud, works great. Yeah, so just so many things to do. I think I'll get down that Toshiba right there at 8980 and play it today or tomorrow. You got too many radios in this thing. You got that down there. So many things. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I got so many little projects I started for myself. I have another one of okay, this works great, but I have a GF319 coming in a few days, which is no, that works. That one, okay. Yep, got that sharp there. Got this this thing here that works great. This is another project of mine I started. Got Micah Boom. Got that thing there that works great. I don't know what it is, but it works fine. There's the thing in the bathroom. Alright. Okay. Got a couple of Sony, whatchamacallit there, somebody saying Sony's. A couple more Sony's here. Not too many Sony's. I got a Sanyo. I got just a whole bunch. So I got to stop buying the things. I'm running out of room. I'm really running out of room. But I got this because it was small. Okay. Anyway, that's all I know. Thanks for watching. Good day. Bye-bye. Yes, I have lots of projects. I bought it as working condition, supposedly. Well, it works. Cassette player works. Working doesn't mean no audio. Like, well, damn. Well, this works. No audio. They didn't mention that. Okay, Boom Blaster and Bell is watching. Yeah, well, there you are. alabaster metal, and then of course here's the other one in the bathroom there. That's the only place I have to keep it. Here's something I need to unbox someday. That's there for a reason. Alright, well, gotta go. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Finish. Yeah, wait. Okay, get this thing out of the way. Alright, here, let me go get this camera here before I forget it, because I will forget it. Get this camera off of here, alright? Get it off there without... Okay, there we go. Yeehaw. Okay, so there's that. Alright, so here's this. Here's this. I'll just set this here. Whoops. Oh! Well, fine. Okay, so here I am. I'm telling this thing to shut up. Sorry. Good day. Bye-bye. Gotta go. I have lots of projects. What, hit finish? Will it work now? There we goes. Great. Ending live broadcast. I gotta wait for that to queue up. So I can't see. Wait, this down here, alright? Let's screen back to around the where I can see what the hell's going on. Right? Okay, so now, so I'm waiting for that to do that. There it goes. So 16 minutes. Alright, well, let's see here. Here's another project. Right there, this is another project. I got so many other things here that work. I don't know. Alright, well. Here's the other Kaboom and the Iowa CA20. Is that right? Combo? No, whatever. No. Here's the other Kaboom. Alright. One of the Kabooms works, the other one I have to repair the cassette deck in it. Another project. Alright, so time to shut this one off. Thanks for watching today. I gotta go. Bye bye.